Here's my original design foam board flyer covered with packing tape. Weighs about 1.5 pounds. It's a 3-cell, and the motor is probably equivalent to something like a Park 450, which I found among my collection of wrecked parts taken from wrecked airplanes, functioning parts taken from wrecked airplanes. We're flying in Kanab, which has beautiful Vermilion cliffs for a backdrop, and we're staying in a subdivision on the east end of town. And the subdivision was originally built with a golf course, but I've heard the city stopped supplying free water to the golf course owners, so the golf course is abandoned. So we have lots of open space to fly in. There you can see the main part of town over to on the right side of the screen. I have a run cam I put on the airplane, and my brother did the videos at the same time with his iPhone. His pictures look a little better than mine, but he's a more experienced user of the camera.
I want to get it when it's close because
The wind was pretty light this morning.
you get very far.
It's been windy here, and I haven't been able to fly much, but if you go early, it's okay. I try to stay away from the houses,
Pretty good.
and
Good air.
the plane flies very well for my own design,
There's a breeze.
inexpensively built. Nice day. The plane looks better with the background of clouds. There's more contrast, and so the picture looks a little better than if we just had blue sky.
That's not bad.
That's it.